Hey everyone, have you ever wondered how essential oils can improve your health and wellness naturally? Today, I'm going to break down the top uses and amazing benefits of essential oils perfect for beginners and anyone looking to boost their well-being the natural way. Essential oils have been used for centuries to promote healing, relaxation, and overall wellness. From calming your mind to boosting your immune system, these oils offer a variety of health benefits, all without harsh chemicals or expensive treatments. What is benefits and uses? Let's start with lavender oil. This oil is famous for its calming and relaxing properties. If you struggle with stress or trouble sleeping, a few drops of lavender oil in your diffuser or on your pillow can help you unwind naturally. Next up, peppermint oil. This refreshing oil helps improve focus, reduce headaches, and even ease muscle pain. It's perfect for a quick energy boost or to soothe tension after a long day. Then, there's eucalyptus oil, known for its ability to clear nasal congestion and support respiratory health. Adding eucalyptus oil to a warm bath or steam can help you breathe easier, especially during cold and flu season. These are just a few examples, but essential oils like tea tree, lemon, and chamomile also offer powerful health benefits, from fighting infections to uplifting your mood. How to use safely? Remember, essential oils are very concentrated, so always dilute them with a carrier oil like coconut or almond oil before applying to your skin. And never ingest essential oils unless directed by a healthcare professional. I hope this video helped you understand how essential oils can support your health and wellness naturally. If you enjoyed this guide, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon, so you don't miss any of my natural health tips. Share your favorite essential oil or any questions you have in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Here's to your natural health journey.